MRI is a common diagnostic tool used in many therapeutic areas. To help minimise discomfort and prevent dislodgement of a cochlear implant magnet during a 1.5 Tesla MRI scan, we have made available the Cochlear MRI Kit. You should apply the MRI kit's magnetic splint and compression bandage immediately before entering the MRI room. First, remove the sound processor from the recipient's head. Note that once the sound processor is removed, they may not be able to hear at all. You are then ready to place the MRI kit's magnetic splint over the implant magnet site. If the recipient uses a behind-the-ear sound processor, this will be where the coil sits. If they have an off-the-ear sound processor, it will be where the sound processor sits. Clear away as much hair as possible from the implant site. As you move the splint towards the implant magnet, you will feel a magnetic attraction. The splint should stay in place over the implant magnet without any need to hold it. If the recipient has 2 cochlear implants, a magnetic splint should be applied to both implant sites. The next step is to apply the compression bandage. Before bandaging, clear all hair away from the forehead. Long hair may need to be tied up. The first wrap should start from the back of the skull as low as possible to work as an anchoring point to prevent the bandage slipping off. Continue bandaging around the head, ensuring that with each wrap, the splint is fully covered and does not move. Do not wrap higher than the forehead. To minimize discomfort, do not wrap over the eyes and wrap firmly but not too tightly. Ensure that the splint is completely covered and has not moved out of place. The recipient may be able to help identify if this has occurred. You should continue bandaging until the entire bandage has been used. Do not cut the bandage. Once the bandaging is complete, carefully press your hands around the entire bandage to ensure it is secure and that the layers of the bandage have adhered. Once this process is complete, the recipient is ready for their MRI scan. To obtain the MRI kit, contact your nearest Cochlear office or official Cochlear distributor.